Alright, now that we're done with the stands, next end caps. Now in the previous video, I bought male end caps and I had to do all sorts of cutting down and chopping up just to get it to fit. This is what I really needed because it sits flush, no problem, exactly like that one. So we're going to end cap and PVC the rest of these guys, and we need to deal with this crack over here because it's at the bottom of the tank and it runs across both the main tank and the little sump. Now before, when I had the system running, I was wondering why my water levels was dropping, and I think I see now. So hopefully some PVC will fix the problem. Well, I'm gonna double it. I think I need to clean this up. PVC and then some marine glue just to give it that extra bond. Then I think I'm gonna PVC inside the main tank too. But I don't know if you can see, there's double glossing, but this is just to be safe. I'm gonna put a PVC just to be safe, even though there is another layer of glass here and even on this side here. If you look there, it's like double glossing. But yeah, let's see what we can come up with, but start with that first. Okay, so with PVC or anything that you're going to potentially use, where there will be fish involved and plants, bicarbonate of soda, vinegar, you want to wash these, please dip them in this solution with water. It will just help clean and also make sure that any funny things that could harm the fish are removed. This is literally like I want to call it a neutralizer, but it's very safe for fish, hence why we use these two agents to clean all our PVC piping. Remember that crack we were talking about earlier on? Yeah, so as I had eluded in that previous one. You see, that's the glass panel I was talking about. So this is the crack. That this piece over here is a glass panel, literally covering that crack. So it's not really impeding. Even over here, if you look, there's a nice, that's a big glass panel from the size of my hand. So, but just for the sake of what we call a better to be safe than sorry, nah, I'm just gonna put this over there, and if that doesn't hold it, I'm gonna use marine glue. Hopefully I don't have to replace this whole glass. That's a project on its own, but I do have another fish tank if I do need a new one. But I think this simple D.I.Y PVC should work, I think. Okay, so I'm just gonna brush over there and over there. Not too much. Don't need to do too much. It is PVC glue after all, so I don't know if it's really going to do much with glass, but hey, that's why we have this channel, to learn and figure out together. But yeah, let's see. Alright, so our end caps are on. It looks so much neater than the first attempt. Oh gosh, I'm not too sure about that hole, you know. I did it in air, but maybe I'll finish it. It might prove useful, but at least that looks neater. That looks more sturdier. I mean, it's standing on its own, no cable ties to hold it together outside of these securing cable ties, just in case. But the nails are there. I'll probably drill them in properly towards the end of the rebuild. The problem with these long ones, I think that's why I stopped drilling, it's because it goes through, but that's not a bad thing. It shows that it works. But yeah, this one is still a little wobbly, but some play is not too bad. Like you see down there, I left that loose. I didn't tighten these ones up, so when I put the pipes up there on the system, then I'll tighten it up before gluing everything together. But yeah, here we go. This is at least a good step forward. Got a little greenhouse over there. Don't worry about what's happening in there, but yeah, looking forward to seeing that and this guy together. This nice big fish tank over there. Hey, all right, until the next one. Hey, yeah, I'm looking forward to seeing what next is gonna happen.